Jai Hind, my dear students. So today our topic is kinds of sentence. So today we will going to learn about sentence. So first thing that comes in our mind, that what is a sentence means. So here I have written the definition of sentence. Sentence is a group of words that are put together to mean something. It means that a sentence is made by joining two and more than two words, and that will give you a complete sentence. So this was the definition of sentence. Now in this sentence we have four different kinds of sentence, like assertive sentence, the second one we are having interrogative sentence, and third we are having exclamatory sentence, and the last we have our imperative sentence. These are the four different kinds of sentence. So today, right now I am going to discuss about assertive sentence. So what is an assertive sentence? Assertive sentence is a sentence that states a fact, opinion, universal truth and habitual action. Now you will think that what are these four things, like facts, universal truth, opinion and habitual action. So I will give you example of these four words. Facts means that can't be changed, like it is truth and human can't change, that whatever the fact is given it should be like the same. Now tree gave us oxygen. It means that everybody knows that tree is the one thing that from which we get oxygen. Now we have habitual action. Action means here whatever we do on the daily routine, whatever we do as a daily routine, like in the early morning what happens, we get up, then we brush our teeth, and likewise we follow our daily routine. So here I have given you the example, we brush our teeth daily. So it means this is a habitual action, means you are habitual of doing this action on your daily basis. Now what is a universal truth? Universal truth means that is accepted by all over the world. It can't be changed by anyone's opinion, that this is not a right or this is not a this should be this way. So here I have given you the example, as you sow, so you shall reap. Right? So means what is the meaning of this sentence? जैसा आप बोओगे वैसा ही आप फल पाओगे. जैसे what happens when a farmer grow a crop? What happens? That farmer need to take the care of those crops, and what the farmer do? He or she puts the fertilizers, insecticides to get a good amount of and good quantity of crops. So similarly, if you will have a good deeds in your life, then you will definitely going to achieve success in your life. Now fourth one, we are having the opinion. Opinion, what is the opinion? Like if I have a friend and my friend and I, we both are like similar, but our opinions different. Like here I have given you the opinion, like vegetable is tastier than pulses. This is my opinion, that I like vegetable more than pulses. But in my friend's case, he or she must be liking pulses as compared to vegetables. Now, in assertive sentence, we are having two more types. We can say types or kind, because in assertive sentence, we are having like positive sentence and negative sentence. So, in positive sentence, what happens? Like in positive sentence, there is a willingness of doing something. Like I like to write in my notebook. Example, as like I like to write in my notebook. So in this sentence, what is that I have a willingness to write in my notebook. So here this sentence reveals that I am having a quality of doing something. I have a choice to do something. While in negative sentence, what happens? I do not like to write in my notebook. So what is happening in this sentence? Nothing is more changed, but here willingness is less. Means do not. When we write do not means हम नहीं चाहते, किसी भी चीज को हम करना नहीं चाहते. I do not like to write in my notebook. Means in this sentence what is happening? Here I was liking to write in my notebook, and here I am saying that I don't like to write in my notebook. So in negative sentence we need to write and we need to pay attention do not and does not. So this is our assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? Then what are the examples of assertive? Then I told you that there are two kinds of assertive sentence. First one is positive and the second one is negative. Now in assertive sentence one more thing is there, that assertive sentence ends with full stop. Like I like toffees. So here I have put a full stop. It means that this is a complete sentence. Okay. Now let's come to the second one, interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, what is an interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence always asks a question, and it's always ends with question mark. So in this, what happens? It will always going to ask you a question, and at the end you will find a question mark. Now in this sentence there are two types of there are two more parts of interrogative sentence. In this sentence we are having yes, no questions and WH question. Now what is yes, no question means that if I will ask you, for example, I am giving an example like, are you fond of reading? So here what you need to do in this sentence, you will not going to give me a complete sentence that yes, I am fond of singing or reading, but you will give me the answer in yes and no. Means in this question, this is a, you can say a closed question also, because in this you do not need to give a detailed answer of a question. Now what is the WH questions? In this questions, the words is the question starts with what, like what, where, whose. So this is in all these three words you can see WH. Then again in where you will see WH, and again in whose you will see WH. Now in this question you need to answer it in detail. Like if I will ask you, do you like to come to this school? So here you will not going to give me the answer in yes or no. Here you will give me the answer that yes, I like to come to this school because school is a place where I get knowledge. So here in this question you need to give a complete detail of a question, and you need to give an explanation of the particular question. So in this interrogative sentence we have these two things. One question is yes and no, in which you do not need to, you don't have to give the explanation, while in WH question you need to give a detailed explanation. So this was the two kinds of sentences that I have explained you today, and in next video I will explain you what is an exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. Thank you.